In this video, we will be sharing all about what is meant by actual AI agent, what is the use of the AI agent, what are the tools and everything. We will be sharing all about the AI agents and with the help of no code. And if you're from any background from IT, non-IT related way, we will be getting everything, talking all about an N8N AI tool. With the help of that, we can create a AI agent from scratch. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's get started the video. Basically, if we talk about the AI agents, what is mean by actual AI agents? So basically, an AI agent is a smart computer program that can understand what do you want to do, figure out how do it by itself, and then actually do it learning and getting better over time without needing you to tell it every little step. Like there are too many LLM models in the market like Llama, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, etc. Basically, with the help of the LLM models, we will create the AI agent. ChatGPT is an LLM model which takes the input from the user and it has the data and it does the deep thinking on it and it gives an output to the user. If we talk about the Midjourney, it accepts the input as an text from the user and it generates the image. If we talk about VO3, it will take input as a text and it will give output as a video. If we talk about 11 Labs, it will convert from text to the voice. Okay, so these were the tools. Now we will compare the tools with the AI agent. Now we will be getting with the simple example that what is meant by the actual AI agent. Basically, I want to create a reel. For creating a reel, first of all I will write a script. After that I will move to the VO3. I will generate a video from that script. After that I will move to the 11 Labs. From the video and from the script I will generate a voice from the 11 Labs. From this everything I will get an output as an reel video. Instead of doing an human being all about creating the reel, what do I do is all about I will create a reel with the help of AI agent. Basically, I will be giving an input to an AI agent like, hey, this is an trending topic, make a reel on it. And basically it will go to Google Docs and it will write a script, and after that it will move to the VO3. It will make a video. After that it will move to the 11 Labs and it will generate a voice. Then it will combine it everything and it will give me a video like, hey, this is your video which I have edited. Okay, so like this the AI agent helps us. Okay, so yeah, in this playlist we will be talking all about the AI agents. In the next video we will be getting all about the N8N tool. With the help of that, how we can create the AI agent from the scratch with the simple examples. Okay, so if you're from any background from IT, non-IT related way, we will be getting everything. Okay, so yeah, if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.